Hi everyone. Today's job lead is about a full-time remote opportunity that you can do from home and a customer support job. Here the company's name is Automatic and here the company is looking for someone with a background in technical support or customer success or engineer or someone who cares deeply about creating a world-class customer experience. And here the compensation that the company has mentioned is $40,000 to $75,000 per annum. Now let's check out about the role. Here it is written that our software and services aim to provide a seamless experience, but when things don't go as planned, our customers rely on us for help. Happiness engineers are the frontline heroes, ensuring we deliver the best experience for our users. Their role is crucial because they interact with our customers the most and make the biggest impression in their time of need. So the profile name is Happiness Engineer, Customer Support and Success. And the company's name is Automatic, which is a fully remote company and offers different remote job opportunities globally to people around the world. And here the company has listed about the skills, experiences, and eligibility criteria that the company is looking for in their candidates. So here it is mentioned that uh, you have deep experience in you are someone with a deep experience in technical support, engineering, and or customer success. Proficiency with the WordPress is a big plus. And you are an expert communicator and can quickly establish rapport with end users, developers, and agency clients alike. You must be able to write and speak fluently in English. So this is very important because the clients would be global, so it is important that you know English communication very well. Now you are an exceptional problem solver and have great judgment. Your solutions not only fix immediate issues but also pave the way for sustained growth for our customers with our products and services. And you value accountability and are impeccable with follow through. You stay professional and respectful in intense situations, comfortably de escalate upset customers, and welcome critical feedback. You are adaptable, curious, and excited by change. You love to learn new things. You care deeply about the customer experience and you assume personal responsibility over every aspect of it. You are a strong cross-functional collaborator, excelling at raising issues internally and driving the follow-up to ensure resolution. As a member of global team providing 24/7 support, you must be available for occasional weekend and holiday coverage. Bonus skill is here the bonus skill is mentioned as like you have experience with e-commerce or setting up a business. Now here an ideal candidate should be so here it is mentioned that while the above skills are essential and an ideal candidate would also possess the following. Here they have mentioned that the candidate should have experience as either a deep technical troubleshooter or tier 3 or other escalated support team or a customer success representative or technical account manager for agency level clientele. And the candidate should have experience creating and supporting WordPress website and with customizing WordPress themes and plugging using PHP, CSS, JS, and HTML. And here it has written that if you have experience in sales or technical account management, we want to hear about it. Also, let us know if you have experience in leadership in a technical or customer success field. So here, if you are passionate about WordPress, love solving problems, and thrive in a dynamic environment where growth is the name of the game, we want you on our team. So this was it about the skills and eligibility criteria that the company is looking for in their candidates. And here is it is and here the salary range is $40,000 to $75,000, And please note that salary ranges are global regardless of location, and we pay in local currency. So they always pay in local currency, so there's no need of you don't have to worry about currency conversion. And here it has written that this is not your typical work from home job. We are a fully remote company with an open vacation policy. And now let's check out about the company. Here it has written that we are the people behind WordPress.com, WooCommerce, Tumblr, SimpleNote, Jetpack, Long Reads, Day One, Pocket Casts, and more. We believe in making the web a better place. We are a distributed company. We are a distributed company with more than 1900 automations in 96 countries, speaking 120 plus different languages, and even more than growth and profitability. Although we are plenty profitable, above all, we are driven by a mission, and the mission is we democratize publishing and commerce so anyone with a story can tell it and anyone with a product can sell it, regardless of income, gender, politics, language, or country. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that one can expect once get hired as happiness engineer, customer support and success role. So here it has written that on a typical day as happiness engineer, you will work as a part of our global team with a high degree of independence and accountability. You will be assisting a variety of customers by email, live chat, voice, and or video calls. This might include technical troubleshooting with a developer, an educational walkthrough with an end user, or a consultative sales call with a mid-sized agency. So you need to go beyond the immediate question to help our customers succeed with our products. You need to reach out to potential and existing customers to learn about their goals, experience with our products, and how we can ensure their continued success. Problem solve, troubleshoot, dog food, and test. You need to embrace change and learn new things, and you need to proactively recommend an idea that will help the customer be more successful. Now, if you're someone from engineering background or customer support or technical background, you must check out the roles and you must check out about the job opportunity. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, check out the details, and here's the application form that you can fill by providing your name, email ID, phone number, location, the company where you are residing. So here, this is a global job opportunity. So no matter what is your current location, you can apply for the job. And here you can attach your resume. And then you need to answer what is your level of experience with WordPress. If you have built any website using WordPress, please feel free to provide links and describe your experience in customer support or technical support roles. What interests you about working in a customer facing role? And then you need to answer, what does excellent customer experience mean to you? Can you share a couple of examples where you went above and beyond to help a customer? Then you need to answer, can you describe a situation where you identified a problem affecting customer experience and successfully collaborated with internal teams to implement a solution? You'll be telling about your experiences into customer services. Now here it is with the rise of ChatGPT and other similar AI technologies, much of what customer support agents historically provided is becoming automated. We are still growing our team though, and very much need additional human happiness engineers. Based on your own use of these technologies, why do you think that is? And what do you bring to your career that cannot be automated? And how do you plan to demonstrate that throughout this interview process? And how do you typically keep yourself motivated and focused during periods of change in the workplace? Could you provide an example? And here you need to answer, can you share an example of a time when you dealt with a particularly frustrated or upset customer? How did you handle the situation, etc.? Okay, and then when considering your next career move, what factors are significant for you? Do you have a LinkedIn profile? So here you need to provide that. and then submit the application form. So if you think that you could be a good fit for the position of happiness engineer, go ahead and apply for the job. Yeah, thank you.